Welcome back to Biology Boost Up. Today in this video tutorial session we will study about the process of DNA packaging in eukaryotes or the structure of nucleosome. So now let's start. What is packaging of DNA helix? DNA packaging is the process of tightly packing up the DNA molecule to fit into the nucleus of a cell. The antiparallel double helix DNA strand are negatively charged due to presence of phosphate group in DNA backbones. The cells makes histone protein that binds to the DNA to counterbalance the negative charge. Those histone protein are involved in DNA packaging. Now look at the process or the mechanism of DNA packaging in eukaryotes. It is carried out with the help of lysine and arginine rich basic protein called histone. The unit of compaction is nucleosome. Those are 5 types of histone proteins, that is H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. After partial nuclease digestion of chromatin, an approximately 200 nucleotide pair length of DNA is found associated with each nucleosome. After extensive nuclease digestion, a 146 nucleotide pair long segment of DNA remains present in each nucleosome. This nuclease resistance structure is called nucleosome core. Its structure is essentially invariant in all eukaryotes, consisting of a 146 nucleotide pair length of DNA and 2 molecules each of histone, that is H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Their positively charged end due to basic amino acids are towards the outside. They attract negatively charged strands of DNA. Physical studies like X-ray diffraction shows that nucleosome core crystals have about 146 base pair of DNA is overlap over NU body for 1 and 3 and 4 turned to form nucleosome of size 110 into 60 Armstrong. DNA connecting two adjacent nucleosome is called the linker DNA. It bears H1 histone protein. Nucleosome chain gives a beads on string appearance under electron microscope. The beads string is coiled to form cylindrical coil or solenoid, having 6 nucleosomes per turn. The nucleosomal organization has approximately 10 nanometer thickness, which gets further condensed and coiled to produce a solenoid of a 30 nanometer diameter. This solenoid structure undergoes further coiling to produce a chromatin fibers of 300 nanometer and then a chromatid of 700 nanometer. Chromatin is held over a scaffold of non-histone chromosomal or NHC protein. At some places, chromatin is densely packed to form dark strain that is called heterochromatin. At other places, chromatin is loosely packed and lightly stained is called euchromatin. This is the flowchart of the process of DNA packing in eukaryotes cell.